Happy. Ha. Happy birthday. Oh, dali, sing. Happy birthday, Papa Allen. Nahiga si Sidro. Oh, sing, sing. Sing. Day.
Birthday. Papa.
Papa.
Alin.
Alin.
Say I love you na.
Love you. Love you.
Love you, Papa.
Love you, Papa.
Kiwai.
Iwan. Happy birthday, Papa Allen. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa Allen. Birthday.
10.
Papa Allen.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Wish ko po
Papa.
ay
Ay.
mahabang
Babang.
buhay.
Buhay.
I love you.
Love you.
Kiss mo na.
What will you say? Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Papa
Papa.
Allen.
Go. Bonjour, Boss Allen, Katahan. Happy 50th birthday. More blessings to come. Alam ko po na marami pang masaganang karawan ang darating po sa iyo. Sana ay ma-enjoy mo yung araw ng iyong kapanganakan. Again, God bless and more power. Happy birthday.
Alin lang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mula sa Treasurer's Office, happy birthday, Allen!
Yes.
Hello, anak. Happy 50th birthday, anak. Best wishes for you and good health always. May God continue to bless you and guide you. Enjoy your day. We love you always, Nanay and Tatay. I love you.
Mabuhay! Happy 50th birthday, Papa Allen. I hope your day be as special as you are to me, to us, your family. The world needs more of you because you're such a hardworking and a good person. I hope you always receive the love and happiness that you truly deserve. Always keep safe and stay healthy. Remember that you are loved, needed, and cared for. I'm looking forward to assist you as my passenger on a flight someday. Nagmamahal na lubos, your future flight attendant.
Allen, Katahan, bumabati po kami ng happy birthday at sana po wish you all the good health and sana po tumagal pa. Happy birthday po.
Magandang umaga. Happy birthday kay Allen Katahan. More birthday to become. And enjoy your birthday today. Thank you.
Allen Katahan, happy birthday po. God bless po, mabuhay ka. Anong gusto mo?
Birthday, Sir Allen Katahan.
Wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best. At ingat po palagi from M750 team.
Katahan, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. See you soon po. God bless po.
Kababayan kay Allen. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po'y mabigyan kayo ng mahabang buhay. Ingat po kayo dyan sa inyong pinalalagyan, sa inyong Alam po naman natin na kayo nagtatrabaho dyan sa ibang bansa. At sana nabigyan po kayo ng mahabang buhay at mabuhay po kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Happy birthday po! Sa aking pong pamilya, bumabati kayo ng happy birthday. I love you po. Bulgong po.